Alright, hey guys, welcome to this lecture where we're gonna be doing something on the topic. Without any further ado, let's jump into this. I'm gonna go to the particles tab, click the plus sign because I can, and double tap to rename that, and we're gonna say top neck. Yes, select that, copy, press enter. Select this guy, press enter. Go back to the modifiers, select this guy, paste, enter. Rename everything, go back to the particles tab, change this to here. It's looking very nice. Go down right to the vertex groups. And then change this to the top neck fur. Get out of here. Go back on top. My word, he's so spiky. Change the length. No ways. Number 5, my boy. Now we're talking. Looking very nice. Yep. Can't wait to see this. Now we can turn on children, interpolate. Wow. Beautiful. Go to the particles edit tab. These particles are too much, but it's fine. We'll work with that. Increase the brush. Comb brush. Increase it, and here we go. Go to the top view again, like that. Skew that like it's a lion. Ooh, my boy is spiky. Just calming that down. And on this angle also. I'm going to turn off symmetry for the center part. Please don't crash, I'm just Control S. I don't care anymore. Cool. Just mix and match. And turn back symmetry. Take that puff brush. Let's puff these guys back in work. Especially over there. So I'm just gonna comb them and redirect them again. Decrease the brush, change this to the points, and we just see these points. We're gonna add more point count at this stage. This looks fine. Just redirecting this away from the horns. Come on, don't do that to yourself. And then dragging them down like so. It looks about right. No, it doesn't. Let's drag these guys down a bit. Yep. And we'll go to lines. Object mode. Look at that guy. Oh my word. So scary. Go back to particle edit. Nah. Yep. Let's drag down some of them. We're going to be adding the modifiers on the particles later, so let's just do the combing for now until it works fine. Yep. Now back to object mode, looking feisty. So now it's not realistic because it cannot be so straight like this on a creature, unless he's a hairstylist or something. But this will work for this lecture, and again, thank you guys for your time. See you guys in the next one.